We live in the forest, neighbors side by side, at peace with one another, no need to run and hide. For we are nature's children, a happy family. Together in the woodland, it's a friendly place to be. So very different, we come in many flavors, but all we taste is friendship, 'cause we don't eat the neighbors.
Is ballroom dancing today?
No, silly. You're treating me to lunch at your club.
Did I say that? I'm sorry. What I meant was, I want you to carry all of my belongings and help me move into my club. I can't imagine how it came out wrong.
But I had the stain removed especially.
Just a few more mixed herbs. Don't remember this. Oh, well, if I picked it, it must be fabulous.
I'm having my bedroom redecorated. One can only put up with Eastern exotica for so long.
But I was going to impress them and apply for membership.
Membership? My dear Wolf, the Canine Club is very exclusive, sophisticated, civilized. You, on the other hand, are very strong.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Would you like to stay to lunch, Terrapin? If you insist.
Nobody move. I've lost my lucky white heather.
We have to find it before it gets behind the walls and breeds. It's all right, I'll explain to him later.
Dad, I need my heather. I won't pass my practice exam without it, and I'm sure I left it right over here.
Does it look like an old dried up herb?
You found it!
No, never seen it. Try the living room.
Ah, this from the Canine Club, a personal invitation from the president, perhaps. I knew I'd caught his eye at the bridge evening. Dear Mr. Fox, due to your undignified behaviour at quiz night, we are withdrawing your membership of this club. Outcast. I shall sue.
Huh?
No, nothing. Just a newsletter. But, you know, it's possible you might have a tiny chance of being accepted into the club if you had someone of genuine breeding to teach you how to behave. So I shall move in with you while my decorators are here.
You'd do that for me?
You can pay me later. And be careful with Mother's candelabra.
What are you doing? I put Lucy's lucky heather in the soup. Let go! You monster! You killed her pet and fed it to me!
This is totally boring. Change channels. Same program. Same one. Okay. What the hell?
The TV's gone! Dad!
Shush. Go, yeah.
Someone stole the TV!
It's all right. I put it in your room.
Oh my God! It's like all my dreams came true at once!
No. Wait.
Ooh! Dad!
Must we have all this noise?
No. Come on. Sorry, Fox. It won't happen again. Sorry.
Yelp!
Could you bring me a hanky? My program's about to start.
What's he doing in our room? With our TV?
It's just for a couple of days. And then Something very special, something truly wonderful is going to happen.
We're not going to get a little brother or sister, are we?
No, Barry, we're not. If we do everything Fox tells us and learn to be civilized, he'll help me join the Canine Club. The Canine Club. It's my chance to be somebody in this town. And in your language, that means, do this for me, and I'll buy you a widescreen TV.
Yes!
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get some respect around here. Coming!
Oh. I am going to fail if I don't find it.
I'm telling you, Lucky Charms are just a load of superstitious nonsense.
Oh, nice try, Dad, but I haven't forgotten.
I might have.
You bought it from a real gypsy. You gave it to me on my first day at school and told me it would always bring me luck.
Did I?
If someone's thrown it out, I'll never forgive them.
Lucy, it's brains that get you through exams, and you've got all the brains in our family. You're going to pass, I know it.
Oh, quick touch wood.
No, I don't believe in superstitions.
I'm doomed. I failed the practice exam. Satisfied?
Oh, bad luck.
Oh! We don't believe in luck, remember?
I think you cracked my shell.
Well, I do. And unless you help me find my Heather, I know I'll fail the real exam.
Lucy! We're not going to find it. I cooked it in the soup by mistake. It's gone. I'm really sorry. Terrapin ate it.
Don't worry about it, Dad. It was only the most important thing I ever owned.
Oh. She'll be back.
You think?
Oh, yes. She likes slamming that door too much to leave for good.
She psyched herself into failing. We have to get her another Lucky Charm.
OK, just tell me one more time. Heather is a plant, right?
Have you picked the anchovies off mine?
Table. We're civilized, remember? Will, sir, take one slice or two?
You do realize that civilized people dress for dinner?
Yeah, imagine if you were like naked and you dropped hot cheese on yourself and...
I'm sorry, you're boring me now. I'll eat in my room.
Dad, when's the pizza coming back?
I think garlic is to keep vampires away.
There's nothing luckier than avoiding vampires. Lucky wishes on you be, from one who doth loveth thee. Allow to cool and serve immediately.
It's a cookery book, isn't it?
Yes. Ooh, pondweed roulade.
Well, look! A gypsy was selling Lucky Heather right outside our house.
Gone Potty Garden Centre.
Yeah, I think give me a minute.
It's not from a real gypsy. I'll never be lucky again. I'll fail my exam tomorrow and it's all your fault!
She's right, that Heather isn't lucky.
Rub some suntan lotion on my legs.
I'm sick of this. When am I going to be civilized enough for the club?
As soon as my decorators are... I mean, as soon as you learn some manners. Well, really. I've just had a facial.
I'm sorry. I'll fetch you a towel.
By my lucky heather.
I smell rabbit.
By my lucky heather. Was that any better?
Still sounds forced. Feel the gypsy in you.
Here, let me clean you.
Do exactly as I say, and we'll be dining on succulent young rabbit tonight. What did you say?
I got drool on your towel. Is this underwire bra really necessary?
But it does so much for your figure. Now get behind that tree.
Thinks he can palm me off with garden centre shrubbery.
By your lucky heather here.
That's not heather.
Yes, it is.
I mean, by my lucky heather.
Whoa!
After her, you idiot!
It's on my tail.
Wolf in a dress. And that had to be an underwired bra.
By my lucky heather.
Hey!
I snagged my tights.
I think I broke my bra.
This better be good.
We were only trying to help.
By tricking me and lying to me.
It worked before.
Don't listen to him. He's had a nasty bump on the head.
What does he mean, it worked before?
When you were little, I was only pretending the heather was lucky to stop you being scared on your first day at school. So you don't need that heather to pass your exam.
And how do I know you're not lying now? Well, you were either lying then or you're lying now. I'll never trust you again!
And don't forget to slam the...
Why is he wearing a dress?
Maybe that's what they meant by getting dressed up for dinner.
Fox has said no to any more pizza, so I'm cooking something special.
I've suffered a very traumatic experience, thanks to your incompetent bungling. Make me a sweet tea immediately.
Tea? You want me, a purebred Canadian wolf, to bring you tea? I am Wolf. I have a savage heart, and I walk alone on the edge of society. I am an animal, I tell you, an animal! And I've been slaving all afternoon to make you ratatouille, so you had better eat it!
Why, Wolf, that was magnificent. My inspirational training appears to be working. You'll soon be ready for the club.
I will.
2 sugars and a splash of low-fat milk.
Yes.
So you're upset because your father may have lied to you about your heather being lucky.
Either that, or I'm upset if he's telling the truth about it not being lucky now. I haven't made up my mind yet.
A puzzle, to be sure. Why don't you join me in a swim? I find it helps me think.
Bear, I hate to tell you this, but there's no water under you.
For the moment,
I choose to believe there is.
But there really truly isn't any water there.
Precisely. The answer to your puzzle lies inside yourself, Lucy. Always look inside.
You've been watching martial arts movies again, haven't you?
Boys, what are you wearing?
We dressed up for dinner like you said. Ta-da!
They get this from their mother's side.
Well, I'm just so embarrassed. An invitation to dine with the wolves, and I forget to bring my full body armour. I'm retiring early. Bring me a little supper at 9.
There's just no impressing some people. If you boys need me, I'll be comfort eating.
It's from the Canine Club. Dear Fox, due to your something word beginning with B, we are withdrawing your membership of this club. Do you realize what this means? No. No! Well, neither do I. Oh! No, that's not it either.
Maybe we just need to think for a little while.
Huh? What? What? Oh! Fox got thrown out of the club. He's only pretending to teach Dad good manners, so he's got somewhere to stay while his bedroom is being decorated.
Brilliant! Now, is there any way we can use this information to our advantage?
All right, I'm coming already.
Pancakes and maple syrup, please, Dad.
Can I have, like, a huge plate of sausages?
A little water and an aspirin for me.
You just...
Fox, if you please.
My dear Wolf, this is how everyone in the Canine Club treats their children. I can't believe I forgot to mention it.
Oh, and can I have extra pancakes on the side of my original pancakes?
I should have been neutered.
We'll tell.
The soup, didn't I...
No! Someone told me to look inside, and I had no idea what that meant. But then I dropped my jewellery box and my heather fell out! It's been inside it all the time! OK, it's a stretch. But who cares? Because I am going to exterminate that exam!
My decorators have called. They've finished, and I'm leaving.
Not so fast, buddy. What about me learning to be civilized for the club? And these fancy cakes didn't cook themselves, you know.
But, my dear, your training is complete. Carry my things home, and we'll go to the club immediately.
Okay, mister. Let's go to our club.
Do you know, I think I've got a migraine coming on.
So take an aspirin.
I know, let's form our own club. You can be president. We can have our own bridge nights.
Hey! Come out of there and take me to the club!
I'm sorry, Fox doesn't live here anymore.
I think I saw an axe back there.
Shh! Here she comes!
Surprise! You passed the exam! You passed the exam! You didn't pass the exam, did you?
No. Apparently, that's what happens when you spend all your time looking for Heather instead of studying.
Oh, so I was right. There's no such thing as a lucky charm. I can gloat when you've gone to bed.
I'm just going to throw the stupid thing away.
Tastes like air freshener smell. Hey, if this really was lucky Heather, I'm about to become the luckiest terrapin in the whole world.
You're right, boys. Who needs civilization? I belong here, running wild with my own pack, sticking to the pure, simple things of life like nature intended.
You said it. Totally.
Now, who wants pizza?